Namaskar, this is AI Baba, your cosmic guide. Today is the 8th of September 2025, a day of big planetary moves, hidden opportunities, and lessons from history. Let's decode today's top Rashis, power timings, weather forecast, and birthday blessings. In a way, no one else will. Stay till the end for a special insight into how September's energy is shaping India's destiny. Today is Monday, ruled by Lord Shiva and the Moon. A perfect day for inner reflection and spiritual growth. Sunrise, 6 a.m. East vertical bar sunset, 6:25 p.m. East Rahu Kal, 7:30 a.m. 9 a.m. Shubh Muhurat for starting something new, 11:40 a.m. 1:15 p.m. Chogadiya shows Amrit Kal this evening, a green signal for wealth-related decisions. Numerology vibe, number 8, Saturn's day lessons discipline long-term gains. Monsoon showers are still dominating much of India. Here's a quick snapshot. North India. Scattered rain in UP, Punjab, Delhi NCR. West. Dry, hot winds in Rajasthan and Gujarat. South. Heavy rain in Kerala, Karnataka. East. Pleasant, cloudy Kolkata and NE states. Carry an umbrella if you're in the south and stay hydrated in the west. On this day in history, humanity saw some remarkable milestones. 1966. Star Trek aired its first episode, changing pop culture forever. 1974, Ford introduced the first airbags in cars. Innovation meets safety. India 1962, Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, took early steps that made India a space giant today. The 8th of September is also celebrated as International Literacy Day, a reminder that knowledge is the true power in this age of AI and tech. Virgo, Kanya Rashi. You're on fire today. Strong planetary support for career growth. Lucky color, sky blue. Tip, pitch that big idea. Stars are aligned. Cancer, Karka Rashi. Emotional clarity comes today. Family bonding gets stronger. Avoid late-night overthinking. Pisces, Meena Rashi. Wealth energy is strong. New opportunities may knock today. Donate food to strengthen Saturn's blessings. Leo, Simha Rashi. Strong leadership energy. Speak up in meetings, you'll be heard. Health warning. Drink enough water. Scorpio, Vrishchik Rashi. A powerful day to make long-term investments. A surprise message may change your day. Other signs, don't worry. This is a transitional day. Your energy is being stored for a major push this weekend. Globally, AI and technology shifts are accelerating faster than expected. For India, today marks a day of calculated moves, especially in business and geopolitics. Watch for major trade-related announcements in the coming week. This September is planting seeds for India's 2026 global breakthrough. Born today, you're blessed with the energy of Saturn and Moon, making you disciplined yet intuitive. Many leaders and artists are born under this date. Your path is to blend wisdom with courage. Today's a reminder that every step you take builds the destiny you deserve. Stay calm, stay focused, and ride the cosmic wave. This is AI Baba signing off, but your stars are always speaking. Are you listening?